How to redeem Minecraft gift cards. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem Minecraft gift cards. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in minecraft.net. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the redeem option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where if you scroll down, you can see there are various types of gift cards and redeem coupons over here. So if you have a Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition gift card, you can simply enter the code over here. Now you will find the code on either the backside of your card or that was printed on your store receipt. So you can enter any one of the code over here. And let's say you have a Java Edition gift card. So you'll have to simply tap on the option Redeem Java Edition gift card. After that, you will have to enter your gift code number right over here. Now, once you've entered the code, simply tap on the option redeem and then you'll have successfully redeemed the Minecraft Java Edition gift card. And similarly, you can redeem other gift cards such as the Minecraft Realms gift card, Minecraft Creator Series gift card by simply entering them over here and then tap on the option submit. So that is basically how you redeem Minecraft gift cards. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.